drum.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh yeah, it's a dead one.
Drum.
It's dead.
I accidentally opened the door.
That one? That's okay. So, good morning, guys. Tingnan nyo, twinning sila ng top. Where are we going, girls?
We're going to the Philippines. Church. No. We're going
How
to
are
the
we?
library. No, Mommy.
Yes.
We're going to Brisbane Library.
Yeah. Where are we going, Lini?
Library.
We're going to the library kasi meron silang 10:30 session for 2 years old to 2 to 5 years old. Oh, sure. Are you sleepy lang?
Ha ha ha. Aha.
Ho, 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 ho. So, dinala ko na rin yung mga, oh my god, overdue na to ng mga books, guys. Yes, you can, sweetie. You can go on the other side, please. Tingnan nyo. Hala. Last year pa to, guys. Hindi na isa uli. Kasi, yeah, this is our first library, tawag nito, trip. And also, will be our first post office trip as well for this year. So, may nabenta si mami niya. You can go in na, anak. Open this one. Oh, careful. There you go. So, may nabenta tayo sa eBay, guys. We're going to post it. Well, actually, may mga nabenta na rin tayo sa, anong tawag dito? Yung pick-up. Ayan, this is so nice. I actually love this one, guys. But, you know, you have to sell what you gotta sell. This is so good. I love this Fendi baguette. See that? Oh, I love that print. And also, yung kagandahan sa bag na to, guys, this one is detachable. So, hi, what's going on? Give it to her, please, ate. So you can use it as a clutch. Yeah, super kakaiba itong Fendi bag na to. Anyways, so yun na nga, yan yung laman ng ating bag. Ano ba di? Nappy, water, ano pa ba? Yung aking mga chichiboriche. Then, Daddy Mike nag-message si Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike nag-work sa office today. Sabi niya kayo na, morning, my love. Nag-send ako ng picture ng mga kiddos. Ayan. Anyways, baby girl, sit down na, anak. Oh, it's a bit windy today. Oh. What's going on, Selene?
I want this.
A few moments later.
There's water. Come on, hold Mama's hand. Oh, we can jump.
I'm going to go in the water.
Jump! Jump!
It was poo!
Okay. So, busy ngayon sa library, guys. Full yung kanilang car park. So, kailangan namin lumabas. Kasi it's school holiday. So, lahat ng mga nanay na may mga kids ay ganyan. Para, kailangan talaga kasi ng mga kids na do something kasi naboboard sila. Keep going! Follow, ate. Diyan kami nag-park sa gilid ng daan. Come on! Come on, girls! Ay, they started now. Come on. Akala ko talaga diretso-diretso na yung ulan, but nag-stop naman siya. But still, cloudy. Come on, hold on, Ate. Careful, they might be car. Okay. Go. Oh, awa lagi. Quick. It's here. It's on this side. Ate, where are you going? Yeah.
My name is Michelle.
Baby Sack.
Welcome to Storytime.
Baby
We got a
Sack.
mixture of all
That's a beautiful drawing, Lily. How about yours, Auntie? What's that?
I'm making a candy house.
Oh, yes. Share with friends, okay? Good sharing, Lily. Good sharing. Good girl.
It looks like which one? Okay.
Silin para ma-incheck magsalita eh.
I win. I get a point. Mimi.
Who's winning?
Me. Because I got one of me. Nice. Mama. Yay! I get hers again.
Nakatapos lang namin sa library and we are here sa Cozy Cozy. We'll check kung available na ba yung new uniform ng school ni Ate Paris. Push, anak. See? It says push. We'll check.
Daddy,
It'd be really interesting.
Daddy shoes.
Yeah.
Daddy's cool.
Oh, busy na ang mga tao guys kasi mag-start na ang school soon. Ito yung pamilihan ng mga gamit for school. Lini girl! Wait.
I don't think they got it.
We'll have to ask, sweetie.
I don't think so. I cannot hear. Daddy?
Yes? Oh, lucky girls. Go. You go away, fly. It's gone now, anak. Gone. Karong. Shoo fly. Don't bother me. Shoo fly. Dito kami sa labas ng Woolworths, guys. Ito yung pinabili ni Celine kasi wala man silang tabi sa isa doon. And Ate Paris got this double chocolate muffin. And then meron silang pa free na fruit sa loob. Oh, bumili kami nito kasi sobrang kites. Naka half price. Toblerone. Pero maliit lang to siya, 50 grams. Dalawa yung binili namin. Bibili sana ako ng chocolate na ilalagay ko sa balikbayan box. Kaya lang, napag-isipan ko, we'll do it during the weekend. Punta kami ng Aldi kasi it's cheaper doon. Mahal dyan. Yes, don't put you. What's this one lang? Tingnan nyo kung anong tanatawag niya ito. What's this one?
Donut.
What is it? Dundan?
Come on, Mama.
Dundan!
No, it's Nini. It's Nini. Not Nina's. I thought he baby said
For baby. Hindi daw para sa kanya kasi
you
baby.
are baby.
Come on, sweetie, let's go pay for it. Do you wanna try that one?
No.
Why not?
I want to have my Nini baby.
Yeah. You can use it when you're having a nap. Yeah, you can put milk in it. Yes?
Mommy said a baby Nini.
Yes, baby
And I
Lini.
like pop.
No more of that one. We already have chocolate.
I like lollipop.
Okay, give that to the lady, please. Here you go. Thank you so much.
Mommy, Cherry. No, Mom.
Yeah. Our turn next. Grabe, sobrang busy ng post office, guys. Linya for more. Honey girl, Push it again. Good girl.
Let me do it. No.
She's here now.
I just
We're going to get something for dinner.
woke up now. Why? Hi guys. It's very late because it's 7 o'clock. So I just have to say something to my mama. We're walking, and Daddy and Mommy and my sister Celine is here, and we're walking around. And you see how I get rich now.
And dito kami sa ano ba to eh? Kebab. Give me one please to ate.
Mommy? Yummy? Your bite's scary.
Show me your face thing. Wow!
Say goodnight to Daddy.
Mama.
Good night na daddy.
Girl. Shut up.
Say good night na girls.
Good night,
Say
Daddy.
good night, yeah. Hey. Oy, say good night.
Good
Lini.
night.
Say night night. Ayan, nakaligo na yung dalawa, guys. Tulog na yung mga kids. So, si mami niyo ay labas muna para maglinis-linis. Maghugas tayo ng pinggan. Just a quick story time, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kasi yung puso ko ay sobrang kinilig. At sobrang happy ko kasi last, nakalimutan ko na kung anong araw yun. Pumunta kami ng shopping center. Actually, we didn't go to the shopping center talaga. Pumunta kami sa play center sa loob ng shopping center. So, pagkatapos nun, kasi si Daddy Mike nagpapabili ng medyas na Nike. So, pumunta kami sa loob. Bililan ko si Daddy Mike. And then, yung mga kids, since nandun na kami, gusto na nilang kumain ng ice cream. So, sabi ko, well, choose the healthier version. Healthier version. So, yung binili ko para sa kanila is yung frozen yogurt. Very similar lang naman. So, yung mga kids, nakaupo ako dun sa gilid. Yung mga kids, dun sila nakaupo. So, alam niyo yung mga sasakyan sa loob ng shopping center. Yung mga games ba na paikot-ikot. So, nandun kami sa may, frozen. Ngayon, guys, doon na, sobrang, oh my God, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan. So, may tumawag ng pangalan ko. May sabi, hi Jovi, hi Paris, hi Celine, sabing gano'n. So, ako, guys, nagulantang ako kasi pag tingin ko, hindi ko man kilala. So, parang, I was trying to jog my memory. Sabi ko, saan ko pa nakita si ate? Like, kasi mahiya ako ba kasi pag nagkita kami before tapos hindi ko siya naalala, diba? But I'm not like that. Like, I'm pretty good pagdating sa mga ganyan. So, nung sinabi niya sa akin na, guys, subscriber pala siya, like, taga-subaybay pala siya dito sa channel natin. Oh my God, sobrang kinilig ako. Yun bang, alam mo yung feeling na yun. Actually, it was not the first time na nakaano ako ng subscribers. Like, parang naka-encounter ako ng taga-subaybay natin. But yun kasi, nasa shopping center kami, tapos tinawag yung pangalan namin. And then, mas lalo akong naano kasi sabi niya, nandun daw sila sa Myers, which is, isang shop sa loob ng shopping center. Yung asawa daw niya na puti, si Peter. Hello, if you're watching. Siya daw yung nagsabi sa kanya na, Mom and Paris and Melbourne daw. Yun daw, nandun nga daw sa somewhere doon sa loob ng shopping center. So, pinuntahan niya kami kasama yung pamangkin niya na si Mayan. Hello, Mayan. Doon. And, yun, nag-meet kami, nag-chika-chika konti. Sabi pa niya, Ate Del pala yung pangalan niya. Hello, Ate Del. Thank you for saying hi. I really appreciate it. Like, sabi pa ni ate sa akin na, ang liit mo pala, Jovi. Akala niya matangkad, guys. Akala niya malakat yung nag-gray yung ating height. Sa camera lang yun, te. But yeah, picture-picture kami, ganun. And sabi ko talaga sa kanya, thank you for saying hi. Kasi kakataba talaga ng puso, alam niyo yun. Even though, kasi nga, pumunta kami doon for play. Like, sa play center, sa mini bounce. Yung mga kids ay nagkayagit-yagit. Diyos ko, Lord. So, yung suot nila ay yung panglaro ba? Kasi, obviously, hindi naman kami, hindi naman namin alam na mamimit namin si Ate Del doon. Tsaka si Peter, yung asawa niya. And si, Mayan, diba? Kasi kung alam ko lang sana, nag-gown ako, diba? Na para pinaghandaan ko talaga. Dapat naka-gown. But hindi Si Ate Del, pinanuhan pa niya, ang tawag niya dito. Kasi yung mga kids, gusto nilang ipalarga ulit yung paikot-ikot na laruan ba. Tapos sabi ko, okay na anak kasi nakapaglaro naman kayo once. Ay, nilagyan ni Ate Del ng $3 kasi $3 yung bayad doon sa machine na yun. But, yeah, I just wanna say thank you. Kaya nga sabi ko, pag may mga taga-subaybay tayo na nakakita sa amin, ganyan, I would really appreciate if you say hi. Kasi, sobrang talaga, nakakasaya. Anak ko! You okay?
Yeah.
What happened? Wala, katulog naman tong batang to. Takot ako. You okay? Okay. What's wrong? Why did you get up? Why did you get up? Did you go to toilet? Takot ako. Akala ko kung sino. Wala na kasi. Natuwa lang talaga ako kasi alam niyo yun na yung asawa niya na puti. Kilala din kami. Kasi yung asawa niya yung sabi sa kanya na nandun kami. Yung sabi ni Ate Del kasi nga daw sa bahay nila, pag nanonood sila ng vlog sa YouTube, connected sa TV diretso. So, kita ng mga tao nasa bahay nila. So, kaya yun, sabi niya, oh, alam ng asawa ko yung mga pinagdadaanan. O, diba, wala nang private sa buhay namin, guys. Alam na ng lahat. Kasi alam ng asawa daw niya yung mga nangyari sa buhay namin, yung nadisgrasya kami, yung mga ganon. Sabi niya, nanonood din niya yung asawa ko. So, sobrang nakakatuwa, guys. Kaya binatutuwa talaga ako. Kaya, tapos yung mga ibang time din na may mga ibang subscriber na namimit ko, yung first na dumating kami dito sa Brisbane, yes, yung sa daan, yung nag-cross kami ng daan, tapos may paliko na sasakyan, and then sabi niya, oh, I'm your subscriber. That was the first time. Tapos yung second time is may bumili ng bag ko, nag-pick up siya. Actually, no, it's been actually not just 3 times, it's more than few times na pala, kasi I think dalawa yung bumili ng bag ko. Tapos sabi niya, you know, sa pinafollow ko kayo sa sa YouTube. Yung bumili ng bag recently, sabi niya sa akin, sabi niya, nung pagka-pick up niya ng bag, sabi niya, I know you from somewhere. Pag ganun pa siya. Sabi ko, tinignan ko siya, guys, kasi hindi ko man siya kilala. Sabi niya, hindi sa YouTube. Nakita kita sa YouTube. O, diba? So, talagang ako'y natutuwa lang, guys. Kaya pag nakita nyo kami sa daan, naglalakad, gano'n, say hi. I would really love to meet you guys. So, it's currently 11:20 ng gabi and kakalabas ko lang from the bedroom, guys. At pagkalabas ko, damang-dama ko talaga yung init ng hangin sa loob ng dito sa lounge room, sa sala. Kasi naka-on yung aircon natin sa kwarto para mahimbing yung tulog ng mga kids. And pagkalabas mo ng room, sobrang feel mo talaga sa skin mo, guys, yung lagkit, you know, yung humidity. Nakapag-skincare na si mami nyo, guys. Ayan, kaya makintab ang ating mukha. Lumabas lang ako kasi gusto kong mag-shoutout. I may not say all the time sa vlogs natin, but I treasure you all. Maraming salamat for always supporting us and sa palaging panonood, pagko-comment sa mga videos natin. And sa pagsama sa amin at hindi pag-iwan. So, thank you guys. And sana patuloy nyo kaming suportaan in the years to come. You know, kasi vlog lang tayo ng vlog. Vlog pa more. So, shout out to Marlene Suitos, Edna Fordrew, Arizona, USA, Esther Timwat, Victoria Baptista, Lenny Langit, Ashik Life, Carmen Lu, Yet Balino, Lynn Ahmad, and also to her babies, Ate Siana Atia, and Kuya Sian Braille, and baby Chanel Alia. Oh my God, yung mga names ng mga kids mo, sisi, Diyos ko Lord. Sobrang gaganda, pero ang hirap basahin. Thank you for always watching, and I really appreciate you all. Shout out to Genevieve Antineros, Blessed Eva Anasaliv, Thunder Wolfgang, Jinatan, Lynn Apura, Phil Cyril Couple Vlog, Jamila Kawaja, Flor Delis Laran, Marcy Narito, Rosella Sator, Emily, of course, hindi makakalimutan, George Plaxton, Irene Aliperio, and Rochelle Pacana. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye, guys. Mwah.